What up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming out with another video, another tutorial in JavaScript. So we're going to be talking about strings. So we already saw strings before. You know, when you have the variable name and then you set it or assign it a string name. You know, for example, we're going to see that over here in a little bit more detail, a little bit more. So let's do let's just do welcome. Let's assign that to, or let's set it to double quotes or single quotes. You can just do hello world. Let's end with the semicolon. Let's show the message right here. Oh no, not like that, but open close parentheses, and we're going to say welcome, and then semicolon. Let's save that, and let's just refresh our page, and then we have hello world right here. Now, as you can tell right here, it didn't print the double quotes, right? But if you wanted this to be printed world with double quotes, we use a special character called a escape character. Yeah, which is a backslash. No, that's forward slash backslash. You do double quotes, and then you do also at the end of the word you do backslash, and then you do double quote, and then you save that and refresh your page. It gives me a hello world, right? That's cool. If you're using single quotes, you just do the same thing. But all right, so one of the other things about strings we can also use, it's called backtick. I don't know, have you ever seen that before? So let's get rid of this for a minute, skip that, and let's just do another let name. Let's set it to a name. Let's just do pastor maybe. Okay, all right. So right here what we can do, let's do the backtick. I know that, but that, and then we do over here to the end. So one of the things that we can do with backtick is we can use inside the string, we can use a variable name. Yeah, and that's called a string interpolation. And how do we do that? We just use the dollar sign, the money sign, and then you open a curly bracket, open and close curly bracket, and then you pass name, and then let's see what we have. Let's save it. It says right here, hello pastor, right? That's awesome. So that worked. Thank you very much for checking the video. That was a very easy and quick video. So hopefully this helped you out. So don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.